If you're targeting your target's profile on Instagram and it is set as public, maybe now it is public, but later your target will set it as private. And then the videos and pictures in here you will no longer have an access to. And that is for us as hackers, it will make us need more work to exploit that account in order to get an access to that. To avoid just wasting our time or just having more obstacles here, it is always better for us as hackers to download the pictures and download the videos as well that we get here. You might think that videos and pictures are not that important. Believe me, they are very important. We're gonna learn really high techniques to use those pictures to reveal a lot more information about our targets. And we can analyze that picture as well. The picture itself can help us to gather information about our target. And the more information we will have, the more vulnerabilities we can get about our target, as well as the more exploitation scenarios and hacking scenarios we can perform against our target. So it is always important. However, there are always restrictions here Instagram put in order to prevent you from downloading that picture. However, we're gonna bypass this. In this lecture, we're gonna learn how to download the picture. So let's go for any picture in here. Let's go for this picture, this one. Okay, you see here it's a picture. If I right click on my mouse, I will not find here save image as. See? And I can simply take a screenshot. This is kind of cute. I can take a screenshot as well, but it will not be that accurate for us. So it's always better to download the original version of that picture, because this could help us to get more information by using metadata and things like that. And there are such techniques we're going to use later. So by downloading the original version of that picture, it could help us to gather more information. By the way, Instagram and Facebook upload another version, but we need to stay closer as possible to the original version that our target uploaded to the platform, to the Instagram platform or Facebook or whichever social media that they uploaded their media to. Alright, so in here, in order to download this picture, simply right click and inspect element, and you see here the dev class. This is like for framing. And this is kind of programmed in here to prevent you to download this, like save image. So we simply need to change the values in here. Maybe we change here, remove a character, add a character, or remove all of it like this. And then you'll be able to download it. See? Save image as now. Okay? Or we simply open it in a new tab to view it with highest quality. And you see here, Facebook icon here on the top, favicon. It's called favicon. And simply, we can here enlarge it and make it small again, and then right click, save image as, and then I can save it here. So let me just save it in the desktop and say meta here, the name, and save. And once I go to the desktop again, open folder, and then desktop here, I can find it right in here. You see? So now this is kind of important to download the pictures. It's really, really important, because we're going to analyze that later. We can use such techniques to help us gather more information about our target. So never skip something like this, especially your target in the future could set the account as private, and then it's going to be another obstacle. So always when you have your target set everything as public, try to download all the important pictures that you find important. And if you can download all of them, there will be such techniques later in this course, in the upcoming lectures, how to bulk download the pictures and media from Instagram. It's gonna be very important. Bye-bye.